everyone! Welcome back to Auto Nihon, where we dive deep into all things automotive. And today, oh boy, do I have something special for you. It's the 2026 Toyota GR Corolla, the next evolution of one of the hottest hatchbacks on the planet. Now, let me tell you, this isn't just any update. It's a performance-focused masterpiece from Toyota Gazoo Racing. They've taken everything that made the current GR Corolla so incredible and dialed it up to 11. So buckle up, because we're about to break down what makes the 2026 model an absolute beast. Let's start with the looks, because wow, does this thing mean business. The 2026 GR Corolla gets a more aggressive aero kit that screams track ready. Up front, there's a completely redesigned fascia featuring a wider grille for better airflow, a must-have for cooling those high-performance components. And check out these new vents on the hood and fenders. They're not just for show. These functional additions help manage heat and improve aerodynamics, keeping the car stable at high speeds. But the real star here is the massive rear wing. Not only does it look absolutely menacing, but it also provides additional downforce, ensuring maximum grip when you're pushing this car to its limits. Of course, the real magic happens under the skin. Toyota Gazoo Racing has fine-tuned the chassis to make the 26 GR Corolla even sharper on the track. Every corner, every twist feels more precise than ever before. And then there's the engine. While they haven't released exact figures yet, we know there's been a significant bump in torque. That means more grunt off the line and even more thrilling acceleration. Whether you're carving canyons or hitting the drag strip, this car will deliver. Now, let's talk transmissions. For purists, the 6-speed manual is still very much part of the lineup. Nothing beats rowing your own gears in a hot hatch like this, right? But if you prefer letting the car handle the shifts, Toyota's offering an all-new 8-speed automatic called the GR Dayati. This transmission promises lightning-fast shifts without sacrificing driver engagement. Plus, it's perfect for daily driving while still being ready for weekend track days. One interesting detail about the 2026 GR Corolla, it'll be built in Burnaston, England, specifically for the North American market. Starting production in 2026, this car is shaping up to be a global effort with local pride. Toyota Gazoo Racing engineers are putting the finishing touches on this machine, and we're expecting it to debut later this fall. Trust me, whether you're a fan of practicality, performance, or pure driving fun, the 2026 GR Corolla has got you covered. So there you have it, the 2026 Toyota GR Corolla. With its upgraded aero package, boosted performance, and refined handling, this might just be the ultimate hot hatch for enthusiasts everywhere. What are your thoughts? Are you team manual or automatic? Let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Until next time, keep your foot down and your eyes on the road. See ya!